my 1990 Miata. And I put a turbo on it. There it is. And it has not worked yet. Cost me a lot of money. No results. Way too much money. Can you not film my face? Can you just film the part? Gates, Kevlar reinforced blue timing belt for big power. Next, Speedy EFI plug-and-play kit with the variable throttle position sensor from BMW.
Wow.
Next, Turbone R model for racing. Yep, there it is. Next, custom one-off cast manifold with the tile external wastegate welded on. That's it. Coolant line. Coolant hoses, baby.
G plus performance.
G+,
I
yes.
love them. Let's go inside.
Come on, come to my office.
All right. Ow.
Oh, hey. Ow. So this is the Speedy EFI ECU. This is my rust hole.
Weight reduction.
There's some other ones.
Organic.
Shit. Garbage gauges that I didn't mean to buy. I thought I bought different ones.
Man, transmission is there.
Greasy.
Momo steering wheel.
RX-8 knockoff injectors.
Oh. What do we got?
RX-8 clones. $42 on eBay. Shout out Cashed Out Cars because he told me to get them, and then I realized they were dog shit. Big ass aluminum radiator from eBay with 2 fans that do not work.
They're shrouded though.
They're shrouded, but they do not work.
Look like a race car.
They literally just make the car overheat. Oh, JDM Sport.
JDM Sport.
Funky intercooler.
Large.
Shaped like an idiot. This is my car. Someone buy it, maybe. Oh, it's got True Heart coilovers, and they suck. They're terrible. Slotted and drilled brakes.
Wow.
With
what are these?
Adapter / spacers for my wheels that are really poopy.
Spewy.
B5.
Speefy.
Yes.
Show the wheels. That's the best.
Man.
The whole best part.
This is.
Oh, the truck's a little dirty.
I wasn't expecting coming. These are my wheels. They're very cool.
Tell us a little bit about them.
They're Hoshino Racing D-01 silhouettes by Impul. They're for a Nissan, but they're going on a Miata. So that's that. I don't know.
All right. So what are we doing now? Intercooler piping.
I guess so, man.
Making it run somehow. Will it?
I hope so.
It does make 300 horsepower.
I didn't write that.
Only do 30 rolls.
That's Brody's right.
No digs.
Just be writing on my car.
Okay, so this guy, we
need to trim that.
that one needs to get trimmed. So
that thing.
we're going from here.
Ow. My dog.
We're going from here to right here. Oh
my god.
And then we're going from here.
We need to cut these.
From out here
Right there.
to that guy. Oh, we gotta cut this intercooler piping to fit. We gotta make sure that the wheels don't hit on the intercooler piping.
Yeah.
That would be bad. So we're gonna move this one all the way out to where the wheels aren't gonna hit it.
No.
Are the wheels gonna hit it?
Stock angle. I don't think so. Maybe. Yeah,
noise.
that will hit.
So on second thought,
Right there would be good. Ew. We really need to plug that with something. That would fit
the
good.
wheel whip. Well, shit, let's put a wheel on it.
Oh hell. These are my reps. This is my camber wear.
They're not real.
See how this has never touched pavement before, ever? And this side is, these wheels are like pretty new. I think like less than 1,000 miles on them.
The wheels are
The tire, my fault. Correction. Use your
lied.
finger strength. Hemi. It's got a Hemi in it, man.
See, it's funny because
Cause it,
I'm not sure why it's funny. This is how to struggle. What holes do they go into? Do these screw on?
I think so. Do they go on?
Okay.
Looks good to me, man.
We'll just...
That was quite loud.
Okay.
It actually smells like feces.
It doesn't smell great.
Now we gotta cut.
We're gonna cut. I think we need to cut this one too.
Wow, look at that.
I think we gotta trim both of them.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's got his glasses and everything. So I was saying we cut this piece that comes down, far like here. So instead of having all this outward piece, instead of having it kind of come down and then curl out, we just have it start the curling up, so it just like curls into it right here.
I think that's a good idea. So like that's pretty good. We just got to get them to meet up. It clears the tire too, and you're also gonna have spacers, so we'll have even more clearance.
I like that.
I love this song.
I could just make my exhaust out of one of these, one of our spares.
I think it'll melt. Shit, we can try it though.
The percolator. All right, let's polish this hoe up.
Do you have sandpaper? Hey, what do you know?
Yeah.
Look at that. See?
Wow.
Homemade, manufactured intercooler piping.
Look at that.
Buy the kit.
Pay money for it.
Buy this. That's awesome.
That's awesome.
That's a job well done.
How long are we trying to have this video be?
We'll come back
When it's
when
done.
we have more progress.
Wow, look at that.
Look at this.
It just instantly, that was done.
Nice and done. No problems
Whatsoever.
at all. Let's get this
Dude, perfect.
this rep off your car. None of that. Just kidding, guys.
Honestly, smelt that thing down.
If you have reps, it's okay.
Make a bullet out of it, and you know what to do with it.
Can I throw it into the garden?
Not in the garden, but them's my crops, man. Wah, wah. This should be alright. Wow. Now that's to the, yeah. I feel like they would have given you another elbow, man.
Well, we already used 2 of them.
Yeah, they would have given you 4 maybe.
Oh, that would be nice.
Assholes.
We really need another so they can go.
Do you have extra?
I think I have another U one, but maybe we can build one. So until we get more intercooler piping, this is about as far as we're gonna get. I'm giving up. Comes down, obviously, as it should, and then out to the side. Not in the way of the alternator, which is cool. We like that. Then out to the side here, we measured it with a wheel so it doesn't hit. Out to the big ol' radiator. Intercooler. And then up to right there, and then we need more pipe. So L. So now what are we doing?
Draining the coolant. They sent me a defective Gates water pump,
That sucks.
but they sent me a free one again. So
Yay. If it doesn't work, try the exact same thing again.
if it doesn't work, my block is warped. I don't even have an answer for this.
It's getting there.
There we go. Wow. This is impressive. This is a really short bolt, just so you know.
Yeah, I
This thing's
know.
tiny. Maybe we just twist it enough it'll just fall right out.
Lord, I hope so. That does not rock.
Hammer. It's still in the car.
All right.
Goodbye.
Well, so we didn't get a lot. We didn't get
nothing accomplished.
we didn't get hardly anything accomplished. Hopefully, we'll see this car out ripping, beating Hellcats pretty soon.
Boy,
Right?
you're flattering me.
This is Abe's car. It is awesome.
Wrong word. First time that's been used to describe this car.
Other words include rolling trash can.
Yeah, that was not nice.
That was mean. I hope I have that screenshot.
garbage.
Thanks for watching this Abe's car. Hopefully it'll work soon, but you never know.
You're never gonna see this car again. Wow, that depth perception was at a
I can't
all-time
see anything.
zero.